mobile one on it, Ken.
Mobile one?
Yes, mobile one. I'd like the camera to run here. But please, the language, for God's sakes. So here at Ecolube, we do more than just oil changes. Alternators, batteries, radiators, cooling systems, little minor repairs, brakes, tune-ups, everything you need for the car. Let's buy it figure. This one I'm doing an alternator on. And over here, I'm doing a window regulator. Changing out the window regulator because the window's broke. So. Saturdays.
Hi, I'm Ross Tedford Jr. I live in Monroe Township, New Jersey. I've been coming to Ecolube for about a year now. The guys here are great. They're very knowledgeable staff, very friendly, awesome service, and I recommend this to everybody.
Mr. Jackson, I've been coming here for years. And listen, they've been taking care of me since day one. And this is where I'm at. This is my car right here, as you can see, checking it out and everything. So if y'all want to know where we at, we in South Brunswick, New Jersey on Route 1, and we got 2 entrances. One on Major Road and one on Route 1. So, you know, prices are so cheap you can't beat right here on Monmouth Junction Street. Y'all have a blessed day. If you choose Ecolube, #1 car service in America. Have a blessed day.